All right, so let's deal with this simple question. So the question reads, differentiate y with respect to x, given that y, this y is equal to what? Root x plus 1 multiplied by root x minus 3. So the relationship which exists between the first function and the second function is multiplication. Therefore, we use product rule. So by product rule, you say let u be any function. So for me, I'll go with the first function. Let u be x root x plus 1. And v will be the second function, which is root x minus 3. So now, let's differentiate u with respect to x and v with respect to what? X as well. So the first function, u, is equal to root x plus 1. Let's differentiate u with respect to x. So you know that root x same as x 1 over 2. So even if it was like this, cube root of what? X. This is the same as x to the power of 1 over 3 and so forth. So I'll rewrite the function. So say x u is equal to what? X to the power 1 over 2 plus 1. Let's now differentiate. So to be du over dx equal to what? By power rule, you drop half to be 1 over 2, then x, then you reduce the power by 1. So let's do it separate. So say half minus 1. This is 2. 2 into 2 is 1. 1 by 1 is 1. 1 into 2 is 2. 2 by 1 is 2, which is equal to negative half. So you say du over dx, which is equal to what? 1 over 2, then x to the power negative half. So if you want, you can end it here. But to show that you know what you are doing, you say du over dx will be equal to what? You make this x to the power negative half appear in the denominator. This will be 1 over 2 root x. So we are done with the first function. We now move on to the second function, which is v is equal to what? Root x minus 3. As aforesaid, say root x is equal to what? 1 over what? Half. So I will rewrite the function. So v will be equal to what? X to the power half minus 3. So now let's differentiate v with respect to x. I'll say dv over dx, which is equal to what? By power rule, you drop half. So to be 1 over 2 multiplied by the coefficient of x, which is 1 over 2, then x, 1 over 2, then you reduce the power by 1, the standard differential function. So the derivative of 3 or negative 3 is 0 because 3 is a constant number. Okay, so we know that half minus 1, it is negative half. So say dv over dx is equal to what? Half x negative half. So if you want, you can leave it here, but to show that you know what you are doing, you say dv over dx. In short, you make this to appear in the denominator. This would be 1 over 2 root x. So we now apply the product rule. So by the product rule, you say dy over dx is equal to what? U, the whole function u, you hold the whole function u, then you differentiate v, which is dv over dx, you add, you hold the whole function v, then you multiply with the derivative of u, which is du over dx. Alright, let's now substitute, which is dy over dx. So the whole function u, where is our u? Guys, our u is equal to root x plus 1. So we substitute, which is root x plus 1. Then let's multiply, we multiply by the derivative of what? V, which is the v over dx. In this case, it's 1 over 2 root x. Then you add, then you hold the whole function v. Where is our v, guys? Our v is root x minus 3. So say root x minus 3. So you multiply with the derivative of what? U, which is du over dx. In this case, our du over dx is 1 over 2 root x. So say 1 over 2 root x. Okay, from here, guys, you say dy over dx is equal to what? What's common, guys, is 1 over 2 root x. Then divide by 1 over 2 root x, you end up with root x plus 1. Same, even this side is root x minus 3. Alright, from here now, you say dy over dx, which is equal to what? 1 over 2 root x, open bracket. So, you say root x plus root x, that's 2 root x. Positive 1 minus negative 3, it is negative 2. So this is same as, it is 1 multiplied by this, which is 2 root x minus 2 over 2 root x. So let's factorize the numerator, what's common, which is 2. Divide by 2, remain with root x minus, divide by 2, 1 over 2 root x. So you cancel 2, you remain with dy over dx equal to what? Root x minus 1 over root x. Simple, right?